We guide you through how to add music on your WhatsApp status so your updates are more fun and engaging in 2026 version. First thing you need to do is open WhatsApp and go to the status tab. Tap my status or camera icon to create a new status update. Next, either record a video or select an existing one from your gallery. After that, tap the sticker icon at the top, then select the music option. Search for your favorite song in the search bar, choose the exact portion of the track you want, and adjust its placement on the screen. Once you're happy with the music, tap send or check mark, and your WhatsApp status will now play the selected music along with your video. This method works on both iPhone and Android and lets you personalize your status updates with trending songs without using third party apps.